Hello everyone. How are you? Hope you all are doing okay and hope you all are in the best of health. Because trust and believe, health is wealth. Because just remember, wealth can't buy life. And you need health to have a good life. So ensure your mental and physical health is in top performance. And remember now, guys, if you're not working over the weekend, like people like me, I have to go to work. See if you can spend some time with your family, get some quiet time, some priceless moments. You'll be glad you did, because I'm telling you, sometimes you don't know what tomorrow brings. You're talking to someone today, having a laugh and a talk, and you just think everything okay, and the next moment you hear that the person is gone, and you're thinking like, Judge, but we just talk to this person, and so on. It's a real thing. That's why we have to live every day to the best that we can, Anyway, guys, stay strong. You know it is. So, a parish court judge yesterday that an accused man went before was ordered to pay $700,000 bail bond in cash, and this has sparked outrage in the legal circles. Can you imagine going to court, and when you have to get bail, generally you can carry in whether it's a title or a guarantor, and now the judge is saying to you, you have to pay cash, something you never planned for? Well, some lawyers have the view the order was outrageous and a breach of the man's constitutional rights and trampling on the rights of the poor in the society. This case is the case where the 36-year-old farmer, Ryan McNeish of Belfield, St. Mary, was charged with the takeout of a 22-year-old young man called Ryan Prendergast. Prendergast was fatally taken out on February 8th on the accused man's farm while he was allegedly stealing bags of apples. It was reported that the accused told the police that he was afraid of the deceased, who had threatened him while on his land stealing his apples. A committal hearing took place yesterday in the court of Port Maria, and McNeish was committed to stand trial in the St. Mary Circuit Court. The parish judge offered McNeish bail in the sum of 700,000 Jamaican dollars with surety, and then ordered that the bail bond must be paid in cash. Attorney at law Hugh Wildman, who is representing McNeish, complained in court that the matter of payment was unconstitutional because the law recognized land titles and property for persons to use for bail. There is no law to sanction that the bail must be in cash, Wildman said. The law, he said, recognized that property, including land title, can be used to access bail. McNeish, who was on a $300,000 bail before is being committed to stand trial, had used a motor vehicle title to secure his release on bail when he appeared in the parish court on February 22nd. Checks yesterday revealed that land titles or cash are accepted at the Supreme Court to bail accused persons. The thing is, why this judge wouldn't just out of the blue decide to just want $700,000 cash, which in my wildest dreams I've never known of anybody getting bail via cash. I know of situation if you bail the person and the person abscond or run away, to say the least, you have to pay over the cash, especially for the person who would have stand surety for it. But a straight up bail from the court and you have to pay cash, oh, that's something new. And then again, anything possible in Jamaica, because everybody is a law unto them own self, because the law is not a shackle. The judge can just have an idea, even though probably that judge there in some distance now have no relation to the same man that he take out. Because why would he be so hard on this man for this man to pay $700,000 cash? The law is the law. He can use his title as he had done prior. So what is up now? That is something that they need to find out. However, in February, Police Corporal Dion Carr, who is charged with takeout, was granted bail in the sum of $1.5 million when he appeared in the Home Circuit Court. The Supreme Court judge who granted bail said the bail bond must be paid in cash. And that policeman was stuck behind bars. Now it seems like it's a common trend. Who gave the judges this autonomy to do that? Because the law stated you can use title as well as cash. So there's option there. That's the thing, with Jamaica, you have to expect anything at any time, because people just do what them feel like. Wildman is said to ask the judge, why? And the judge responded that it is the policy. But that's not true. It's not the policy of only paying cash. That's not true. Wildman described the policy as a forced interest-free loan to the government, because cases take years to be disposed of and the monies are returned to the sureties with no interest. It is wrong, and this policy needs immediate intervention from the powers that be, because an accused is presumed to be innocent until proven guilty. Wildman said there needs to be an oversight body to which the judiciary is accountable to, and an administrative capacity. I don't know what is going on with all the authorities in Jamaica, because for example, the school principal need an overhead body to monitor how they do things. The head of the police force need an overhead body to monitor how they do things. The Prime Minister, who is the top man in Jamaica, need an oversight body to be on top of how he do things. The church's head, the pastors, need an overhead body to adjudicate how they do things. And next thing you know, those same overhead bodies will need another overhead body to watch them, to assure that they do the due diligence. And that's not going to happen. Because if you can put policies in place and put people in place to follow the laws and they don't adhere to it, it don't make sense. So it just come down to everybody lawless and take up things on them head and do what them feel like. So in essence, the law is not a shackle. So it's possible that right is wrong and wrong is right. Lord Jesus, we're going down a precipice to hell. The policeman languished in custody for 30 days after he was granted bail because his relatives and friends had difficulty finding $1.5 million cash to give to the courts. King's Counsel Valerie Nita Robertson describes yesterday's event in the parish court as excluding people who are poor and don't have money to pay for their bail. It is unconstitutional and it is against the intent of the Bail Act. You are excluding people who don't have money to pay, she said. Senior attorney Bert Samuel said it was settled principle that the sole purpose of a bail bond was to ensure that the accused turn up for his trial. He said when such monetary orders are made, then the citizen's right to freedom prior to acquittal or conviction is grossly inhibited and therefore amounts to oppression. The relatives of those persons are now compelled to find six-figure sums in cash before those accused who are presumed to be innocent can enjoy their liberty pending trial, he said. It is only rich and cash-loaded accused who can now enjoy freedom pending trial, Samuels queried. President of the Advocates Association of Jamaica, Leonard Green, said it is unusual because if the man cannot pay the cash, it would be tantamount to offering bail and refusing bail at the same time. That's what I was thinking. Maybe it's a judge's way of refusing to give the man bail. Senior attorney Anthony Williams said he did not know on what basis the judge made the decision to impose the condition that the accused should pay cash. I'm not aware of any legal authority that permits that, and it appears that the judge exceeded his or her authority, he said. McNeish is also presented by attorneys at law Anthony Armstrong and Rasher Wildman. See, Jamaica is descending into anarchy. You can't even go to the court system and 100% guarantee that you'd get a fair trial, a fair bail hearing, and watch all the high-level criminals, how they're going to do everything to get bail. Yet, watch and see if they're going to ask them to present any cash. Keep a close look on that, Jamaica. The thing is, those high-level criminals can find the cash for bail, but it's not going to be asked for. You can bet on it. You know what I find outrageous? Almost in all sector of Jamaica, when you go there, no matter how they have a list of rules, they never go accordingly to the rules. The rules is according to who it is to be used against. Yes, man. Even in the bank, see the Prime Minister go open bank account at NCB and he never open it with no money. No want any of you go try open an account at NCB and say you not no money. You have to have money to put in there. So right then and there, that is a strike because the same rule never applied. And don't come tell me say my Prime Minister, the bank policy and we the people own the bank because of our funds and money in there to make the bank able to can turn over and invest and so on, and basically giving us nothing but charges. You go to tax office, the same thing. Even with motor vehicle. Your motor vehicle gets stolen. There are certain protocols in place, but yet still somebody else can go to tax office and get a title for the same stolen vehicle you have, like it's their own, and it moves on. Who in there is a final body that signs off on a title? Yes, them thief your motor vehicle, and next thing you know, somebody else at tax office able to get out a title for the said motor vehicle. So who there doing that? That means no protocol laws are being followed. You understand? Unless everybody is corrupt. Well, everybody is corrupt. You go to the bank to open an account, and tell you 1,000,001 criteria for certain accounts, and you have somebody else just go there and get the same account opened, and guess what happened? They never had to meet all these criteria. The thing about it is frustrating doing anything at all in Jamaica, because no matter how you try to follow the law 100% and thinking, yes, everything they say I did, everything I followed it to the T, and you go there and there's still something. The only thing I know that make a difference, and even me have experienced it, is all about the money. You go to the money, you not even have to make sense. Everything go on for you. And links with that money make it even much better. It is sad. Imagine all the young people looking on, how they see things so hard. It's really hard for them because them just come in, them not really have no links yet. So you see what they have to go through and the frustration. Just know, say, that is why a lot of the youths them turn to crime. Because at the end of the day, no matter what you try to do in Jamaica the right way, it generally just don't work that easy. See, it reached a court system now. So you go to court and he did something, yeah, and it was against the law. It's not probably nothing serious, but if he's going to go to court, how is he when he gets bail? How is he going to come up with how much money cash when he's a poor youth when his mother do minimum wage job or all that or stuff like that? Yeah, them just constantly frustrating the people of Jamaica. And I so feel it for the people then because guess what happened? I can't talk for myself alone because certain things don't affect me because I'm not dealing with it. But on other aspect I have things to deal with and I put it together and realize that everybody really is a law unto themselves in every authority you go into in Jamaica. Because no matter what you think you got it right, when you go there, unless you have money, you got it all wrong. And that is the fact. At the end of the day, guys, you have to do what you have to do. Anyway, guys, please like and subscribe to my platform, please. Comment what you think about this new bail drama and what you think about what's going on in Jamaica. Anyway, guys, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my platform, please. Love you all. Bye for now.